guys, what's up? It's your boy Chords back here with your guitar interpretations, and today we are doing Our Song by Anne-Marie and Niall Horan. I hope I pronounced that right. We're gonna have our capo on fret number 2, and we're using standard chords. I'm gonna show you how to play it for the beginner player, the advanced, intermediate. Just make sure your guitar is in standard tuning, alright? Capo on fret number 2. So the chords are as follows. First, we have an A minor. Right, A minor is basically open, open, 2, 2, 1, open. And then we make a quick switch to G. So that's A minor, which is G is 3, 2, open, open, 3, 3 in this case, okay? And then we go to C, all right? So open, 3, 2, 1, open, 3, 2, open, 1, open, right? That's your C. And then you go over to an F to conclude that. F can be 1, open, 3, 2, 1, open. Or you can play the barcode, which is 1, 3, 3, 2, 1, 1. Okay. But I'm gonna be using this version. It's easier to play even for the advanced player. You can still use this version. Anyways, moving into the timing of the song, so I'm just gonna play it right here so that I know I'm giving you guys the accurate chords. Okay, so we have A minor, G, C to F, right? A minor to G, C to F, A minor, so my strumming pattern is down, up, up, down, up, up, down, down, up, up, down, up, up, down, down, up, up, down, up, up, down, down, up, up, down. All right, down, up, up, down, up, up, down, down, up, up, down. That's for the beginner player, right? The advanced player might want to play it as accurate as it actually sounds, but using the same basic chords, all right? So you're still strumming, but you're gonna play it a little bit different from the beginner player. So you're gonna have so the chords are the same for the verse and the chorus, but let's start from the intro. So the intro and the verse pretty much sound the same, okay? So we're gonna have, this is the intermediate player, up, up, down, up, up, down, down, up. Sorry, let's go. Down, up, up, down, up, up, down, 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 down. All right, see that? Down, up, up, down, down, up, down, 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 down. That's the accurate version of strumming, right? Which you can use if you're an intermediate player. But if you're advanced, you want to play, all right? Now to play that, you're using the same chords except you're plucking individual strings. So for A minor, we're gonna pluck mostly 5 and 2, right? Strings 5 and 2, those are your lead, but you can also just hold the ones in between. So that's 5, 4, 3, 2. So that's A minor, and then you go to G. G is 6, 4, 3, 2, and then C, C, F, right? So that's C is 5, 3, 2, 1, and then 5, 4, 3, 2. Okay, so that's 3, 2, 1, 4, 3, 2. Okay, so that's 3, 2, 1, 4, 3, 2. To get that, right? So you have to, okay, you're gonna switch. So C, C, and then you go to F. Or if you want, you can play the individual strings. So the first time it's 5 and 1, right? So, and then the second time it's 5 and 3. So that's, and then you go to F. F is 6, 4, 3, right? So A minor, okay? And I'm putting a slap in between to just make things more interesting. And also you can play it alternating, but it's still the same concept. It's just a matter of, you know, how advanced you are with your plucking. me playing this is basically a bar chord for C. Right? Bar chord for C. It's still the same thing. So you can play, or you can play. Okay? So A minor, G, C, and then F. Right? And that's basically it for the whole song, I guess. Let me just get into the chorus. For the advanced player, you're gonna strum the chorus actually. That's a lot of volume. So we have C, C, F, right? Okay, so for the advanced player, the last time that used to know, it's gonna be the same from I'm scared, right? That last bit, it's gonna be last bit of the chorus, but everything else is the same. You're gonna strum your chorus like we did for the intermediate player. Let me just check to see if we have a bridge where the chords change. Okay, there isn't. It's just gonna be your same verse, chorus throughout the song. So that's basically it for this song, guys. Do subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Leave a like and share the video if it helped you. And I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.